Hi, I have in my hand the TV tilt wall bracket. It covers the TV ranges from 13 inches up to 43 inches. It's available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie. So this is a well-designed bracket. It's quite easy to mount. Everything you need fundamentally is in the kit here. So we'll just go through the component parts here. So it just gives you an overview here of what it looked like assembled here. Assembly on it is effectively extremely simple. The first thing is the bracket that will sit in the wall. Out of this pack here, what you would do is you'd mount it like this. You'd mount it through these holes here. Now, out of this bracket here, for mounting it, you'd use a little spirit level here that sits on tops to make sure that you have it plumb, and then you'd use the plugs and screws here. There's a total of 3, which you'd use for mounting it securely into the wall. Okay, so you mount it onto the wall. In the meantime, what you come along is, if you look in the back of your TV, with all TVs, there's a series of holes, 4 holes in total, and they follow a standard called a VESA standard. So what you would do is you would drop these brackets onto the back of your television, and you screw them directly on. And what this means is that it's a universal standard across. So the maximum size of this would support is a standard called VESA 200 by 200. So basically, the holes could be up to 200 millimeters center to center, horizontally and vertically. Okay, so you'd mount the brackets directly onto the television itself, and then what you can do is, if we have the bracket sitting on the wall, we come along and we just drop on the first bracket like this, and the second bracket on the far side. I'll just try to display this as best I can. You can see the way it is, and we can just slide it out. Now, if we try to push the brackets over to the ends, there's a little stop guard on it that stops it doing it. And if we try to do a vertical lift straight up, there's a little guard on the bottom that will grab it. In terms of the tilt on it, we can tilt it at up to 15 degrees. So the tilt is only, you can go for the horizontal, or you can tilt it down to 15 degrees on it. So when you're doing that adjustment, what you do is you'd use a Phillips screwdriver, adjust this off, get the angle that you want, and then you lock it into position more or less, okay? So you can hold it in the particular angle that you want it. Now, in terms of mounting these brackets onto the television itself, there's 3 sizes of bolts here that you can use, and that's just depending on the different sizes of the VESA holes that are on the television itself. The 3 different sizes there, that'll definitely cover the thing on it. So overall, we'll say we have a massive range of TV brackets, and if we're ever thinking about the economics of shops and things like that, where do they make their money? Most shops make almost no money on televisions. They're extremely competitive. People are very, very price sensitive in terms of televisions, but what they're not price sensitive is the bracket to go with it. So often we'll say you'll find that a lot of shops will make more money on the TV bracket and the accessories that go with the TV than the TV itself. Now, it just means that not alone are we cheaper for TV brackets than your average shop. We're normally coming in at about 1/3 of the price, and when you include the fact we're giving free delivery on it, it just means that we're very, very dominant in the area of TV brackets, simply because we have a great range, good quality, and the price point on them is very attractive. So that's it anyway, an overview of the TV tilt wall mounting bracket, 13 to 43 inch TV range, available with free delivery from freetv.ie.